Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to study chapter number 5th, fractions, problem set number 17. We are going to complete in today's video. So in this exercise, we have to find a fraction. One fraction is being given to y'all. Using this fraction, we have to find the other fraction. Okay, so this is very easy, simple multiplication and division method we have to use to get the answer, which is to be noted down in the box. So how are you going to solve the first question? Let's see. Suppose the question is 1 upon 2 is equal to dash 20 and you have to find an answer over here. So what is going to be the method? 1 upon 2 means what number? You all have to multiply 2 to get 20. Okay, 2, if we multiply it with 10, you are going to get 20. That means we have to multiply 10 over here also. So 1 tens are 10. Got it? So 20 we have already got. So what is going to be the answer above here? It is going to be 10. Isn't it easy? Now second sum we will take. It will be more clear. 3 upon 4 is equal to, now 15 numerator has been given and we have to find the denominator. Again same we will use 3 upon 4, the given fraction. Using the given fraction we will find how to get 15 and the number below at the denominator. So how are you going to get 15? So 3, if we multiply it with 5, 3 5s are 15, isn't it? 3 and 15 has been given. So if we multiply 3 with 5, your answer is going to be 15. That means you have to multiply the denominator 4 also with 5. So 5 4s are 20. So what is going to be the answer over here? 20. Got it? It is very easy to solve. You all have to be able to just recognize which number you all have to multiply. Let's solve the third sum, that is 9 and 18. Sorry, 9 and 11 is over here and 18 is over here. We have to again find a denominator. So how are you going to find? Now in this sum you will see 11 has been given. Okay, so don't get confused with the numbers. What you all have to do, simple steps that I have shown you all. This is the simplest way you all can solve the fraction in order to find the denominator or numerator. So if we multiply 9 with 2, you are going to get 18. Okay, whereas if you will see over here, you might get confused. Are 9 and 11 is there, so आप क्या करेंगे? 18 is over here. So what we have to do? Small numbers you have the confidence to solve, but when you get big numbers, many of you all get nervous कि अब what to do. So same method. Solve in this pattern only, I am sure you will get the answer. So 9 2s are 18. That means we have got the first answer. If we are multiplying numerator with 2, denominator will also be multiplied with 2. So 11 into 2 is going to be 22. Fourth sum is 10 and 40. Now you should understand when you all have to multiply and when you all have to divide. Okay, so I will write 22 over here. We forgot to write it. Okay, now as I said, you all have to first decide where you all have to multiply and where you all have to divide. Okay, so 10 and 40 is the fraction given and over here 8 is been given. Now if you will see in the first third sum, the fraction is smaller but the answer that you all have to find is bigger. Okay, the number is bigger, but when you have to divide, the first fraction is going to be bigger and the other one is going to be smaller. See, 40 and 8 over here, 11 and 22, 9 and 18. So when in the first place the fraction is smaller and the second fraction is bigger, that means you all have to multiply. But when your first fraction is bigger and your second fraction is smaller है ना 40 and 8, that time you all have to divide. Now what number you all are going to divide in order to get 8? Alright. So if you all know the table, orally you all can solve. If you all don't know, then you all can divide it in this way. You are having both the answers. 8 will come over here, 40 will come over here. So 8 5s are 40, isn't it? That means you have to divide 40 with 5, right? So divide 10 also with 5. So when you divide 10 with 5, the answer is going to be 2. Now how are you going to check whether your answer is right or wrong? 5 2s are 10, 5 8s are 40. That means the answer that you all have got is correct. Got it? And the first thing that I told you, when the number is smaller and you have to find bigger, multiplication. When the fraction is bigger and you have got the answer smaller, then you all have to divide. Just keep this thing in mind. Now let's solve the fifth sum. 14 and 26. The first fraction is bigger, the other one is smaller. This one you all have to find. That means now what you all have to do, bigger fraction is there, smaller you all have to find. That means you all have to divide. So 14 and 26 divided with what in order to get 13? Alright, so as I said, if you all know the table, it's well and good. If you all don't know, divide it in this way. So 13 and 26. 13 2s are 26. So what answer will be over here? 2. That means you all have to divide 26 with 2 in order to get 13. So 2 you all have to divide over here also. Now 2 7s are 14, or you all can even divide and check. Okay, but orally also I think we will be able to get the answer. So the answer is 7 upon 13. For these sums, children, you all have to be very quick in tables. Alright. Now next over here you all have to find the answer. 3 is being given. 4 upon 6 is your fraction. Bigger number is there, smaller you all have to find. That means again you all have to divide. Don't worry, they have only changed the place, but the method is going to be the same. So we have to divide. First answer that they have given is 3. This you all can do it orally also, no need to divide. 6 divided with 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. So divide 2 over here also. 2 2s are 4. Isn't it easy? No need to divide and all. Okay, it is very easy to solve. The seventh sum is going to be 1 is been given. This you all have to find. 4 upon 20. Again a bigger number has been given, smaller you all have to find. That means again you all have to divide the given fraction. Okay, so 1 has been given over here. Now what we divide with 4 in order to get 1? Obviously 4. 4 divided with 4 is going to be 1. If we are dividing 4 over here, that means 4 over here also we have to divide. Now in 4's table, when will 20 come? 4 5s are 20, or even you all can divide. But 4 ka table everyone knows, so no need to divide. But if you all are not able to divide orally, you all can divide it in this way. So 4 5s are 20. So 4 5s are 20. The answer is going to be 5 over here. Now let's solve the 8th sum. This box you all have to find. 5 is over here. 10 and 25. Again a bigger number and smaller you all have to find. So the given fraction divide we have to find to get the answer. Now 5 is been given. What number can we divide with in order to get the answer 5? 5 4s are 20. Okay, 5 or 4 5s are 20. So means we have to divide 4 over here also. Now in 4's table, will 10 come? Let's check. Oh sorry, over here 25 was there. Okay, so that means 4 से नहीं divide करना है, my mistake. Okay, now how are you going to get 25? Obviously if we divide it with 5 5s are 25, so means here also you all have to divide with 5. So 5 2s are 10, so the answer is going to be 2. My mistake, I wrote 25 and 20 over here, but it should be 25. Okay, 10 upon 25 divided with 5, you are going to get the answer as in the division form. By division, the answer is going to be 2 upon 5. Now this is the end of first question. Find an equivalent fraction with the denominator 18 for each of the following fractions. That means what you all have to do is, a number has been given, denominator, numerator, denominator, numerator and denominator. So denominator should be 18. How are you going to get 18? So let's solve this question. Question number 2. First one is 1 upon 2. So we all know if we multiply 2, what we have to get? Denominator 18. So 2 9s are 18. So 1 also multiplied with 9. Got it? So this is going to be your fraction. Second is 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3. How are you going to get 18? Because denominator 18 we need, isn't it? So 3 6 are 18. 2 6 are 12. Next is 4 upon 6. So use this fraction in order to get 18 as the denominator. So 6 3s are 18, 4 3s are 12. Next is 2 upon 9. So 2 9 18, 9 2s are 18, 2 2s are 4. Next is 7 upon 9. 7 9 so 9 2s are 18, so 7 2s are going to be 14. 5 upon 3. 5 upon 3 multiplied with 6 to get 18. 5 6 are 30. So I hope this question is clear with everyone. Now in the same way we have to find the denominator with 5. Now bigger number has been given and we have to find a smaller number, isn't it? That means we have to divide. So third one, excuse me. So first is 6 and 15. Now as I said, we have to find a smaller number. So the answer at the denominator should be 5. So if we divide 15 with 3, so 5 3s are 15. Divide 3 over here also, 3 2s are 6. Next is 10 upon 25. So again division and the answer should be 5. So we all know 5 5s are 25. Orally also you all can do, children. See, 5 into 5 is going to be 25. So 5 2s are going to be 10. (12) divided with what in order to get the denominator as 5? So 6 5s are 30 divided with 6. 6 2s are 12. Next is going to be 6 upon 10. 6 10 divided with what in order to get 5? So 10 divided with 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 6. Orally also you all can do it. I'm telling you the oral thing only. If you all are not able to find it orally, you all can divide it. Now 7 5s are 35. 7 3s are 25. 1. Isn't it easy? Now in the fourth question, what you all have to do is, numbers have been given you all over here, fractions have been given, equivalent fractions have been given. You all have to find the pairs. मतलब इसमें से ही you all have to find the similar pair. For that it is very easy method. Question number 4, 2 upon 3. So how are you going to get 2 upon 3? For that, check the numbers. 2 upon 3, if we divide it with this one. Okay, see, 9 2s are 18. So you will get 2, and 9 3s are 27. So if we multiply it with 9, isn't it? This equation, if we multiply it with 9, 9 2s are 18 and 3 9s are 27. And we have got a similar pair over here, that is 18 upon 27. Therefore, 2 upon 3 is equal to 18 upon 27. Next pair is going to be 5 upon 7. Second one. Now what is going to be the pair for 5 upon 7? It is going to be 10 upon 14. How? 5 if we multiply it with 2 and 7 if we multiply it with 2, the answer is going to be 10 and 14. So the pair is there. Therefore 5 upon 7 is equal to 10 upon 14. Next is 5 upon 11. Now when 11 is there, we all know we are going to get 33 or somewhat 22, 44, this kind of numbers. So 5 upon 11, that means 5 multiplied with what and 11 multiplied with what in order to get 33 and 15. So 15 and 33 is already there. Therefore 5 upon 11 is equal to 15 upon 33. Now the last pair is 7 upon 9. So what pair we have to get? 7 2s are 14 and 9 2s are 18. So 7 upon 9, 7 2s are and 9 2s are, 14 upon 18. Isn't it? The pair is given over here. Therefore 7 upon 9 is equal to 14 upon 18. This question you all can solve it on your own. Find two equivalent equations for each of the following equation in the same pattern you all have to solve. I hope this exercise is clear to everyone. If you all are finding anything difficult, do let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.